guys, it's me Momita. Welcome back to my channel. For today's recipe, let's start with boiling 2 eggs. In the same pan, I took some water, add some sliced tomatoes with some cashews, and let's take some cloves of garlic and a chunk of ginger. We are going to boil these things all together. In goes some cardamom and cloves. Keep the flame in medium and boil it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, drain the water and keep it aside to cool. After this, make a nice paste of it. Now let's get started with the curry. In a karhai, I added some butter. You can use oil also as per your wish. In goes some chopped onions, 1 bay leaf. Now let's saute all it together. After this, I added the paste. Let's saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep the flame medium to low. Now let's add some spices like turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, and salt as per taste. Garam masala powder I will add at the last. If you want, you can add in this stage also. So after that, I added some fresh cream. This is a homemade fresh cream I have added. You can use a market one. Here I have added some sliced cheese to add the extra taste, but be careful with the salt. Now I added some fresh coriander leaves. Mixing it all together. Here I added some boiled milk. If you want, you can use some water also for the consistency of the gravy. Added our boiled eggs. Mix it all together. Here I took some garam masala powder and mixed with water. I'm adding it all together. Check for the consistency of your gravy. I don't want thick gravy, so cook it for 10 minutes. And it's ready. Serve it hot and enjoy.